In this video, I am going to show you how to create an Amazon storefront page. So let's get started. Well, as you can see, this is an example of Amazon storefront. If you don't know what it is, then Amazon storefront is a customizable digital storefront on Amazon created by brands or sellers who are part of the Amazon brand registry. So I repeat, who are members and who are part of Amazon brand registry. Okay, so how to set up Amazon storefront? You need to enroll in Amazon brand registry, and then you have to create your storefront. Once you have enrolled, go to Seller Central, Storefront, Manage Stores, and you can start editing your store and then design your storefront. So first things first, you must enroll to their Amazon brand registry. So you have to go to their site and then click this Get Started. And you will see here all the information about brand registry. So this is a program designed to help brand owners protect their intellectual property and create an accurate and trusted experience for customers on Amazon. In this page, you will see the requirements and the steps on how to sign in or enroll to Amazon brand registry. So all you have to do is to read the requirements or instruction here, like your brand name that has an active registered or pending trademark, and then you will see all the information right here. So basically, in short, to join the Amazon brand registry, you must meet the following requirements, like have a registered and active trademark for your brand in the country where you want to enroll, provide proof of trademark ownership and brand information, such as your brand's logo and product categories. Okay, so Amazon brand registry is essential for sellers who want to protect their brand, prevent counterfeit products, and ensure their listings are properly represented. So create an account and review their terms and conditions. Tap this blue button right here. And then you have to simply, read again the following terms of use so that you will know exactly what you're doing and what are the terms and conditions of Amazon. Okay, so accept and continue. And then here, what you're going to do is you just have to simply, add your brand. Make sure that you have the trademark of this. Others might say that Amazon registry or brand registry are for those who are popular, but no, Amazon brand registry is not for famous influencers. It is primarily designed for brand owners. Okay, not famous, but brand owners. Now, once you're enrolled to Amazon brand registry, it's time to set up your store. So these are the steps to get started. Build your page on your mobile. You can do this on your mobile or your web browser. Update your profile photo. Of course, update your cover photo, add a page title, and add a page taglines and save. Now, if you don't know how to edit or you want your storefront or cover photo to be captivating and enticing, I'm going to show you a platform or an editing tool where you can use as a beginner. So basically, this is the result or what are the examples. If you have created or if you have your store, Amazon storefront, you will see something like that. Okay, so that's the first thing through Amazon brand registry. Number two, in order for you to create an Amazon storefront page, you need to be an Amazon account influencer. Okay, so like what I mentioned earlier, you can enroll to Amazon brand registry if you're famous or not, but as long as you are a brand owner. So an advantage if you are an influencer and if your account such as your Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok or Facebook has tons of followers or subscribers, then you can just simply promote your product right here. Okay, so this is an example. Let's just say this is my page. This is my Instagram business account, and I have tons of subscribers and followers here. So this is an advantage for me. So I'll just go to Amazon Influencer Program and sign up. Here in this page, you will see the process and steps and how to sign up. So also here, you can build your store, create, and earn. So that's it. So as you can see, first, you need to enroll to Amazon brand registry. And also, if you are a famous or if you have tons of followers, likers, or subscribers, you could also try or sign up for Amazon influencer program. And if you want to know more about this, then You can go to FAQs, frequently asked questions. What is Amazon influencer? How do I qualify this program? How can I monetize my content? How much will I earn? But basically, in short, you can create an Amazon storefront page right here. Same as if you sign up to Amazon brand registry. Okay, so the last thing, if ever you have your Amazon storefront, if ever you have your store with you, if you have built your store with you, then how are you going to promote that, or how are you going to earn money? So basically, if people, for example, I'm an Amazon affiliate, I will look for stores that I can promote to my page or to my channel or to my website. So I'm going to look for stores with high commissions, of course. And also, let's just say if I know how to sell their products, or if my content is related to their product, then I can simply promote their product. So I'm going to create an affiliate account first. So let me go to Amazon Associates account and then create an account right here. So basically, if you have created your Amazon affiliate account, then what you're going to do is to just simply look for products that you can share or you can promote to your page or even to your Pinterest. As you can see, this is my Amazon Associates account. So what I'm going to do right now is, after I have signed up, is to enter the payment and tax information and so on. But let's just skip to that and let's just go directly to our main point, and that is to get a link and then share this product to our website or to our own store. So, if you are already an Amazon affiliate, or if you have an affiliate account, is to turn on this site Stripe in order for you to enable or get link. So probably all you have to do is to follow instruction right here. Go to site Stripe and you should toggle this one on in order for you to generate or get the link. So once everything is okay here, what you're going to do is to look for Amazon storefront and look for products that you want to sell or promote. So in this way, once you get this link, you can now simply go to your store, or let's just say go to your website, or if you have a Pinterest, upload their products and include this link. So if someone click this link and buy their product, then you will get a commission. Also, they will earn money. Okay, so it's a win-win situation. So as you can see here, for example, this is my Pinterest business account. I'm going to upload their product. I'm going to add description right here, and I'm going to include the link from their store or from the product specifically, and then post this. And if someone click or buy their product, I can get a commission and they will earn. So like what I mentioned earlier, if you want to make your storefront captivating, enticing, you can use Canva. This one is good for beginners. So all you have to do is to create an account in Canva. Look for the specific template. Let's just say if you're selling foods, or let's just say appliances or gadgets, you can see it right here. And all you have to do is to just simply edit, like minimal editing, and that's it. So basically, that's how easy it is to create an Amazon storefront page. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.